Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and isolation. This prevents interruptions. First, check both Airpods and case charge because resets fail on low battery. Next, turn off Bluetooth on nearby devices and pause Wi-Fi hotspots or cordless phones to reduce 4 GHz interference. Once done, place both Airpods in the case and close the lid for 30 seconds. This forces a clean disconnect. Then open the case and prepare your phone or Mac to pair. You'll see the status light change when they're ready. You now perform a full reset to clear software glitches. Press and hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. That indicates a factory reset. Make sure to forget the AirPods on your phone or Mac in Bluetooth settings before repairing. Otherwise, old profiles can reintroduce problems. After repairing, test each earbud independently to spot if one side still glitches, and check the AirPods firmware version so you know whether an update is needed. You finish by addressing hardware, software, and fallback options. Clean charging contacts and ear mesh gently. Dirt can cause intermittent audio. Then update your phone or laptop OS and ensure AirPods firmware is current because compatibility fixes often resolve glitches. If problems persist, try pairing with a different device to determine if the issue is the AirPods or your original device. Finally, if none of this works, contact Apple support or visit a store for diagnostics, but make sure you've backed up device settings first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.